Naya finally wearing her helmet, having a blast on her new tricycle.
You ready?
Here we go.
Are you sure? How fast are we gonna go? Really big?
Here they come. Naya and Daddy coming down. Coming down the racetrack.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hi, sweetie. I'm right here.
Is that fast? More fast?
That way.
Which way?
Way.
Back to the bedroom or through the kitchen?
Purchase.
Through the kitchen. Okay. You're ready. Okay.
Floating hat.
Good steering, Naya.
You gonna turn it over here?
Really fast?
Go around again?
Well, it's hard to go really fast through here. If you want to go really fast, the best spot is the hallway down to the bedroom. You want to do that?
Okay, well, let me go ahead.
On your marks. Get set.
Hi, sweetie. I'm right here. Hi, watch out for my toes. Wait, I want to get this shot. Do you love your helmet, Naya? With the duckies?
Should
Okay.
we go really fast again?
Yeah.
Come on, boys.
On your marks. Are you holding on? You better hold on. We're going really fast. Wow.
Okay, say bye-bye, movie.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
See you later.